gentlemen, we're now on our way to Istanbul, and shortly we'll be coming through with a light meal along with drinks from our complimentary bars and tea and coffee, followed by the sale of duty-free items featured in the High Life shop brochures, which you'll already have found maybe in the seat pockets in front of you. The range has recently been relaunched, and Father's Day is coming up in the UK at least on the horizon on June the 20th, so if you need an excuse to buy something, maybe there's one. And remember that the prices reflect very well against those offered in the tax-free shops in Terminal 5 as well. So do have a look through, and we'll give you some more information on that later, but you can pay with most major currencies and by credit card as well if you have another form of identification with you. Also in your seat pockets you'll find donation envelopes for our charity campaign. It's called Flying Start. It's run for us by Comic Relief, the UK charity organisation. The money raised goes straight to the world's poorest and neediest children, largely in Africa and the Indian subcontinent, but also to projects run by Comic Relief within the United Kingdom. You can make donations at any time in any currency, current or otherwise, remember, by using the envelopes which should be in your seat pockets, but if you can't find any there, I'll come through with a few spares later and explain more then. On the way we have in-flight entertainment for you. That'll be starting with this morning's edition of the BBC World Service News recorded in London, followed by today's feature film, which is the Disney feature Zootropolis, and further general entertainment programmes to follow in those